Hello everyone, here is Mr. Bakur and this is your first lesson in this course which I'm going to teach you how to read Arabic. In this lesson I'm going to teach you the alphabet names. Pay attention, pay attention. I'm going to teach you the names of the alphabet. So I'm going to teach you the alphabet names, alright? Because later on I'm going to teach you how to read these letters when we read a word or even a phrase. Well, before I get started, let me give you some instructions, some tips. In this lesson, I'm gonna say the letter and I give you time, I give you a chance to read it by yourself. Make sure that you repeat after me. Repetition will help you a lot in your improvement. Alright? So I'm gonna read, I'm gonna say the letter and I give you time to say it by yourself. In Arabic, we have 28. We have 28 letters. We write Arabic from right to left. Therefore, we read Arabic from right to left. Okay, are you ready, guys? Let's get started to our alphabet. Our first letter is Alif. And this is how we write Alif. Alif. And this is how we say Alif. Again. I'm teaching you the alphabet names. Alif. Alif. Alright? Alif. Alif. Okay, next. Ba. 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 Guys, I'm sorry, I forgot to give you time to repeat Alif. So now I will go back to Alif and I give you time to repeat Alif. Now get the microphone and repeat it. Good job. Next, Ba. This is how we write Ba. Ba. Look at my mouth. Look how I pronounce this letter. Ba. Now get the microphone and say it by yourself. Good job. Nice. I like your pronunciation of these letters. Good job. Okay, next. Ta. 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 Get the microphone and say it by yourself. Well done. Next. Tha. Tha. Pay attention. Just pay attention because we are on a very important letter. Tha. I'm going to teach you how you can pronounce this letter correctly. So, look at my mouse. When I say this letter, my tongue goes to the front teeth. Tha. Look at my mouth. Tha. Tha. Get the microphone and say it by yourself. Okay, next. Jim. 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 Your time. Good job. Ha. Pay attention on this letter. Ha. I know this letter, maybe it doesn't exist in your language. So pay attention on this letter. Train yourself. Practice a lot. Ha. By the way, this letter is coming from your throat, middle of your throat. Ha. Ha. Get the microphone and say it by yourself. Good job. Next. Next is quite hard, but after practicing a lot, you will come over with this letter. Kha. 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 Get the microphone and say it by yourself. Well done. Good job. Next. Dal. 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 Your turn. Well done. All right, next. The. Thal. Pay attention, guys. This letter, your mouth should go between the front teeth. The. Look at my mouth. The. Thal. Thal. Okay, next. Ra. I forgot again. So, let's go back to this letter. take the microphone and say it by yourself. Next, ra, ra, ra. Your turn. Next, zay, zay, zay. Your time. Seen, seen, seen. All right? Get the microphone. Your time. Well done. Sheen, sheen, sheen. Your turn. Sad, sa, sad, sad. Your turn. Excellent. Dad, dad, dad. Get the microphone. Wow, very nice. Next. Ta, ta, ta. Grab the microphone and say it by yourself. Good job. Next. The, the, the. Guys, this is the third letter which your tongue should go to the front teeth. So how many letters we should make our tongue go to the front teeth? We got 3 letters in Arabic, and this is the letter number 3, the. Look at my mouse. Look how I say this letter. The. The. Get the microphone and say it by yourself. Excellent. Ain, ain, ain. Guys, this letter is hard. I know it's hard, but as I keep telling you, after practice, after training, you will get this letter. You will say this letter correctly. So it's ain. And by the way, let me make it easier for you. This letter K comes from the middle of your throat. Ah, 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 ah. I know it's hard, but believe me, practice, practice, practice. Okay? So ain, ain. Get the microphone and say it by yourself. Right, before you get in the microphone and say it by yourself, let me just tell you that do not be shy. I think you're watching me behind the camera. You are alone. Do not be shy. Make sure that you take the microphone and say it. This will improve your pronunciation. This is how you're gonna learn Arabic.